How does the Palmer Drought Severity Index, PDSI, work? Imagine trying to figure out how dry or wet a place has been over many months or even years. That's what the Palmer Drought Severity Index, or PDSI, helps us do. It's a tool that measures how severe droughts are by looking at soil moisture levels compared to what's normal for that area. The PDSI works by combining two main things: how much water comes in through rain or snow, and how much water leaves the soil through evaporation and plant use. It uses weather data like monthly rainfall and temperature to do this. The key idea is to see if the soil has more or less moisture than usual. If the soil is drier than normal, the index shows a negative number. If it's wetter, it shows a positive number. To figure out the drought level, the PDSI estimates how much water the land could potentially hold and how much water is actually there. It considers how much water the soil can store, how much is lost through evaporation, and how much water runs off or recharges the soil. It then compares these numbers to what's typical for that location and time of year. This way, it can tell if the land is unusually dry or wet. The index uses a scale from about minus for or less to plus for or more. Negative numbers mean dry conditions, with minus to indicating moderate drought, -3 for severe drought, and minus for extreme drought. Positive numbers mean wet conditions. When the PDSI stays low for many months, it shows a long-lasting drought that can hurt crops, dry up water supplies, and increase wildfire risks. Because it looks at data over time, the PDSI is especially good at spotting long-term droughts, not just short dry spells. It helps farmers, water managers, and emergency teams see where droughts are happening and how bad they are. This information is vital for planning water use, protecting ecosystems, and preparing for disasters caused by drought. In short, the PDSI takes weather data like rainfall and temperature, estimates how much moisture the soil should have, compares it to what it actually has, and then gives a number that shows how dry or wet the land is. It's a simple yet powerful way to understand and keep track of droughts that can turn into natural disasters affecting many parts of life.